email. Email, you know very well, you are using how to email to another person, how to compose, how to chat, how to write email, how to check the mails, how to make email ID. This all the thing you know very well. Now suppose your friend is sitting in UK or US and you are sitting in India, you can mail to your friend within a 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, so email, short for electronic mail, it is one of the most widely used features of the internet. Along with the web, it allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. जहाँ पे भी आप बैठे हैं वहाँ से आप किसी को भी, आपको वर्ल्ड में किसी को भी मेल करना है, विद इन अ 10 minutes you can do. So that is called email, electronic mail. Now email uses multiple protocols with the TCP/IP suite. For example, SMTP is a one type of protocol. It sends the message, while the POP or IMAP protocols are used to retrieve messages from a mail server. Now SMTP जो protocol है, what is the use of SMTP protocol? It sends the messages. Now POP or IMAP is retrieve the messages from a server, because that messages goes to the server point and the POP or IMAP receives the messages, retrieve the messages from that server. When you configure an email account, you must define your email address, password, all the things you have to define, and then the mail server used to send and receive messages. Fortunately, most webmail service configure your account automatically. So you only need to enter your email address and password. So however, if you use an email client like Microsoft Outlook or Apple Mail, you may need to manually configure each account besides the email address and password. You may also have to enter the incoming and outgoing mail server and enter the correct port number for each one. So that is a different thing, but you know how to use email. Now go to the next slide. Chat protocol and VoIP. You know very well chatting, no need to explain chatting. Real-time information communication over the internet is chatting. A chat program is software which is required for chatting over the internet. AOL's Instant Messenger, Comfire, Internet Messenger, MSN Messenger are some commonly used chat programs. In order to chat, the user should have an account on a chatting program. A phone call is a voice-based chat, while online chat is textual conversation. And what is VoIP? Voice over Internet Protocol. It is a voice over Internet Protocol is a group of technologies for the delivery of voice communication and multimedia sessions over Internet. So this is the voice communication, VoIP. The term Internet telephony, broadband telephony and broadband phone service specifically refers to the provisioning of communications services, voice, fax, SMS, voice messaging over the public internet rather than via the public switch telephone network. So this method of making phone calls is much cheaper than conventional way because the service of telecommunication company is not used. So that is one type of chatting, and VoIP means voice messenger you can use with the help of VoIP.